What's up guys, it's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Today I got something amazing for you guys. I know you guys want to see it. I know you guys have been waiting for it. Here it is. And of course, we are talking about the new iPad. It's here, it's beautiful. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna look at it. Of course, I had to pick up the Magic Keyboard. I have to check out this white Magic Keyboard. I hope it doesn't get dirty, but let's see. And I picked up a folio case as well. I just like the blue, it's a new color. I wanna check it out. So let's dive in guys, because this is what we've been waiting for. All right guys, so here it is, the iPad Pro 5th generation. I got the 256 gigabyte model, 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi iPad Pro. We're gonna take a look at it. Let's pop this open. Here is the iPad, looking sexy. We're gonna put that to the side. Designed by Apple in California. You got your literature in there. Here is a cable to charge it, USB-C to USB-C. A charge brick, put it with the iPhones, guys. So there you have it. That's pretty much all you get in the box. I really don't need the box, so I'm going to pull this off like so. Put it to the side real quick and then put this back in the box. I like to be organized when it comes to that. And boom, there you have it guys, the iPad. Now looking at the outside, you're not gonna really tell a difference as far as if it's the new one or if it's the old one. How do you know? It's in the internals, that's how you know, but we're gonna go over that in a second, guys. Here we go, we got the iPad Smart Folio. You guys have seen this one before. The only reason I got it was because of the color. I absolutely am a killer die for this blue color. I love it, it looks super nice, super elegant, the way the Apple comes in. I just love these cases. These silicone cases with the cover, with the color, pops right in magnetically, of course. And there you go. You can take that with you anywhere. We all know how the folio works. You can stand it. You can use it like this to go ahead and take notes and write. So it can be used for a lot of things. I love this folio case. I just wanted to pick up that color since it's the new color. And then here we go, guys. Now coming up with the Magic Keyboard. I don't know, I was really iffy about this, picking this up, and reason being is because it's white and I'm scared that it's gonna get super dirty and disgusting and you're gonna see it, and I am like super crazy about that, so I hope it doesn't. But either way guys, I picked it up, it's new, it's pretty, so to go ahead and get it. We have the tab right here, pops off. Oh. Pulling out the literature too from the inside. Okay, so we're gonna just pop that right there. Open it up, we get our first look at the white keyboard, and let me tell you guys, that looks nice. I mean, you always gotta give it to Apple when it comes down to quality. They know how to do it, they do it nice. Boom, iPad goes right in there. There you go, the keyboards are the same. Sound really nice, really clicky, love the keyboard. Close it up, you got the Apple in the back. I mean, this looks good, guys. As long as it holds up, I'm absolutely gonna love this because I do really like the color. I just hope it stays white. But other than that, guys, let's turn it on. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick setup of the iPad just so we can go into it and kind of test out the main features. All right, guys, so here we go. We got it set up, looking sexy with this white case. I absolutely love this case combination, the white. It just looks very good. Now, again, what I told you, it doesn't look any different on the outside. The inside is where these people went all out this year. Apple went all out this year with the inside of this, and starting off really quick with the M1. So they took the same M1 chip that are on the new MacBooks, that's on the new computer, on the new iMacs. They took that chip and they put it in here. Previous years, of course, what they did is they had their own chips specifically designed and made for the iPad and optimized for the iPad. Now they took what's in a computer and they put it on the iPad, which is intense, guys. That's crazy. So we're talking, of course, you guys know, 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine powering this bad boy, which is intense. If their claims are correct, That's 50% faster CPU performance and 40% faster graphics, guys. So no matter what you decide to do with this, it's gonna take it and it's gonna deliver it without a problem. So that is amazing that they were able to add that to there. That, I mean, you're gonna see everything load up much faster. You're gonna see everything just work a lot smoother. I mean, when you start getting into like editing and stuff like that here, that's when you're really gonna see the difference and see how amazing and how capable this iPad really now is. It's not just a tablet anymore. It's now getting into the realm of almost a computer, and I think with the keyboard and everything that they've been trying to do, that's what they're trying to tailor that to, which is crazy. Now, the other thing that they actually added on to as well is the screen. The screen is intense. We have a Liquid Retina XDR display capable of some really, really, really bright stuff. We got 1,000 nits of full screen brightness or 1,600 nits of peak brightness. So when I talk about bright, guys, look at this. This thing gets bright. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to see everything throughout the day without an issue. You're gonna be able to see all your content and the contrast. I mean, just looking at this here, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the contrast, this looks awesome, guys. This looks very, very nice. I absolutely love that they added that display onto here. Now, when you're editing pictures or editing videos or using LumaFusion, whatever you're doing on this, you're gonna have an amazing display to be able to get your workflow going, and you're not gonna have to go onto your desk setup or your computer to get it done. You can do it on the fly. Of course, it still has the True Tone and the Pro Motion. That hasn't changed. It still has that 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, so you get very, very good colors, like I told you before. Also, it's been in the talks for I don't know how long, but we got the mini LEDs. They put it in here. We got 10,000 of those little guys in here, and that's what gives you such good contrast and such good colors. It's got 2,500 local dimming zones. So, I mean, they really killed it, guys. So far, with the processor and the screen, they did a huge, huge, huge improvement. And then the other improvement that they basically added was 5G. We know 5G is getting better every day that it happens. 5G is getting better, is getting faster. And the fact that you have now this already speed demon, now with 5G, again, when you're out on the go and when you're out and about, you're gonna be able to do some really, really, really fun stuff, and you're not gonna miss your computer, you're not gonna miss your desktop, because you're just able to use your iPad and take it where you want, and I think that's amazing. Another thing that they did, not too crazy, but they added that center stage, so it's pretty cool. The camera is actually cool. We got David back there. That's the gentleman always behind the camera and the one that does the editing. So they added this center stage. So, I mean, now in the era that we're in because of COVID, a lot of people are working from home. A lot of people everything is home based. So the fact that now you have the center stage, I think is really cool, because when you do meetings and stuff like that, basically this is what it does. So now if I move over here, the camera zooms out a little bit. If I move over here, the camera zooms back into me. If David moves a little bit over here, now it senses that there's someone else there and it moves there too. So I think that's actually pretty cool, because now, again, the era that we're in and we're doing a lot of FaceTime and a lot of video conferences, the fact that you have that, I think it's really cool. If you have more people, it zooms out and gets really wide. As you can tell when I loaded up the camera there, of course, I'm the type of guy that you're not gonna see me with an iPad taking a camera, like a picture, but that's pretty cool as far as an ultra wide. You get everything in there. It looks super sharp, super neat. So it's really, really cool, guys. I mean, so far, so good. I absolutely love it. The only thing I am gonna tell you is, of course, I'm gonna put it through through steps. I need to see if it's true that this M1 in the iPad is going to make a difference. I have my old one, so I am gonna compare it to the old one. I'm gonna compare the brightness, I'm gonna compare the color accuracy, I'm gonna compare the speed, because I wanna see if this is really a true upgrade to last year's model, which so far I think it is. I mean, again, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but just looking at this screen right now, I mean, it's amazing in person. Keyboard, again, I'm also gonna do a nice little review on the keyboard. I have the black one on the old model. Also, one of the reasons why I got it was because I was hearing some rumors that the old one wasn't gonna fit, because this iPad is a tad bit thicker than last year's iPad. So they were saying that it wasn't gonna fit, so I got this just in case, but we're also gonna be testing that out there as well. And if you wanna see that video, remember, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. That way you get notified when we do post the videos on the iPad, because they are coming soon. I also have some really cool gadgets and really cool cases that I got for the iPad as well that we're gonna go ahead and test out, because this is the new iPad, and guys, I'm excited about it. This thing is amazing. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you wanna see with the iPad. Other than that, guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.